MeghalayaPost.news
Uba Prestun Tensong Sembut Menteri Rangba Kajala Habakran Shikilat Patai Kubon Mata Kasngi Ulaong Ba Hadin Kajin Kendulang UCEM Biang Long Autonomous District Council Kihe Officer Kajala Assam Lembol Sembut Menteri Rangba Kajala Uba Snyaw Balangdhar Henin Kasngi Hagajing Don Lang Kirangba Shnong Nakishnong Kaput Kajala Assam Mat Meghalaya Lashim Yakarai Bakarap Karyang Kipaj Ba Kathan Lapangap Kam Dei Shuh Shah Pynthud Nang Ni Shakman Bat Bagi Paj Ba Kidei Ban Penne Ya Kashongsuk Shongsan Hakate Kathan Kaput Bat Kin Beteng Yakikam Kijam Jongki Kumba Julong Uba Prestun Ulong Bahagate Kajing Ïakren Larai Baki Kamrap Kamriang Kim Dei Ban Sangi Nang Ni Shakman Bat Kam Dei Bandon Kajing Pynthud Ya Kashongsuk Shongsan Hak Bai Dei Bat Uput Usampan Uba Prestun Ulong Bashen Kasurkar Jala Jongka Assam Bat Meghalaya Kin Sabeteng Biang Ya Kajing Ïakren Hak Bana Kalyang Menteri Rangba Kajala Assam Ulak Loi Ban Pediang Ya Kajing Ïakren Pynbeit Pud Biang.
This meeting that we have, in fact, all the top leaders from the Karbi side, including the CM of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, and as well as senior officials from the government of Assam, and from our side, delegation is led by our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Mr. Snow Balangdhar. And in the meeting yesterday, we have fully agreed both sides, and that also in the presence of both the headmen from Meghalaya as well as from Karbi Anglong side. And the agreement is very clear. They wanted to make sure from now on they wanted to make sure that the cultivation activities does not at all get stalled at any point of time. That is the decision they taken yesterday, and even the both the authorities from the state government and as well as district council authorities has also assured that they will make sure that the livelihood activities which is being done and which is going to be done by both the villages of the two states has to be at any cost preserved, and cordial and healthy atmosphere has to be prevailed over there, not only for 1 week or not only for 1 month, but time and again. Hence, well, I think see, if you talk about the regional committees, as far as the issue of the pending differences that we have between Meghalaya and Assam, now we are waiting for the, again, because as you all know, that the constitution of the cabinet, expansion of the cabinet is being awaited. And even the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, he has already expressed his willingness to again continue this the inspection of both the regional parties. But he requested us, please wait till the expansion of the ministry is completed, so that the ministers' consent, which is going to be entrusted, will also be there in that regional.
MeghalayaPost.news